Whether you're just getting started with Lyro, Tidio's conversational AI, or you're familiar with it and looking to master its full capabilities, you've come to the right place. In this series, we'll give you a full step-by-step guide to Lyro. We'll walk you through the setup on your Tidio panel and share specific examples of Lyro in action so you can start automating your customer service and resolving customer queries instantly. You'll get the most out of Lyro if you're handling a high volume of repeatable questions. It's the perfect solution if you want to provide high-quality customer service outside of business hours without adding more headcount. Let's see a few examples of what Lyro can do. When a customer asks, "Where's my order?" Lyro can provide the current order status, a delivery timeline, and instructions on how to handle delayed packages. Next, returns and refunds. Lyro can explain exactly how and when a customer can return or refund an item, then route that customer directly to the correct form or page to start the process. Lyro can also help with product recommendations. If a customer is stuck on sizing or stock, Lyro pulls from your help content to provide the exact information they need to move forward with the purchase. And if a question is too complex or needs agent intervention, Lyro can hand the conversation off to your team. Next, let's get familiar where everything lives in your Tidio panel and where you'll manage all things Lyro. Think of this section of your Tidio panel as Lyro's command center. At a high level, Lyro's performance is built on 3 pillars. First, what Lyro knows. This is powered by your knowledge sources and products, allowing Lyro to answer questions and make recommendations using only the information that you provide. You can integrate Lyro with your product base so it stays updated on every detail, including product descriptions and live availability. Second, how Lyro behaves. This is shaped by your configuration and guidance. This is where you define the tone, priorities, and boundaries for how Lyro responds in any situation. And finally, what Lyro can do. This is where actions come in. Actions move Lyro beyond just answering questions by connecting it to your external systems to perform actual tasks. By refining these 3 areas, you ensure Lyro isn't just a chatbot, but a fully capable extension of your team. And remember, you always have the final say. If you click on Conversations, this takes you to the Lyro AI Agent within the inbox, where you can monitor every interaction in real time. Even when Lyro is handling a conversation, your agents can stay in the loop in the inbox. If you want an agent to manually take over, they can open the chat and click the Join Conversation button. Or you can set it up so an agent can handle it. When Lyro can't fully resolve a conversation, it can escalate it based on your settings, typically by handing it off to your agents or creating a ticket with a transcript, so your team has the full context. We'll dive deeper into those settings in other videos in this playlist, but for now, let's complete the very first step and activate Lyro in the panel. Let's click on the Configure section and then the General tab, because this is where you officially enable Lyro. You can choose if Lyro should respond to all incoming messages or only act as your after-hours agent when your team is offline. And below this, you'll see your channels where you can enable Lyro for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. And your customers can get instant AI-powered support, whether they're DMing you on your social channels or doing that through your homepage. That's Lyro at a high level, but we're going to continue to build Lyro's foundation in our next videos in this playlist. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.